one simple change to your daily routine could unlock a treasure trove of health benefits, potentially extending your life and enhancing your well-being. Imagine a natural elixir so powerful that it could sharpen your mind, trim your waistline, and shield your heart, all in one sip. This isn't the stuff of fairy tales, but the reality of green tea, a beverage steeped in not only water but also centuries of therapeutic history. Discover the remarkable benefits of green tea and why incorporating it into your daily life could be the game changer you've been looking for. Green tea is a veritable fountain of antioxidants, which are crucial in combating oxidative stress and cellular damage. The star components here are catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, renowned for their disease-fighting properties. These antioxidants are not only powerful warriors against aging, but also enhance overall health by protecting cells from free radical damage. Moreover, green tea boasts a higher antioxidant capacity than many fruits and vegetables, positioning it as a leading dietary source of these protective compounds. This rich antioxidant profile is what underpins many of the health benefits associated with regular green tea consumption, making it a simple yet effective addition to any health-conscious individual's diet. Drinking green tea can also lead to significant improvements in brain function. This is largely due to the combined effects of caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that can cross the blood-brain barrier. While caffeine is known to enhance alertness, L-theanine promotes relaxation without drowsiness, resulting in improved focus and greater cognitive clarity. Numerous studies have suggested that this combination can help improve various aspects of brain function, including enhanced memory, attention, and faster reaction times. Moreover, L-theanine in green tea has been linked with increased alpha wave activity in the brain, which is associated with a state of calm alertness. Green tea is often hailed as a natural aid in weight loss efforts, thanks to its ability to enhance fat oxidation and boost metabolic rate. The thermogenic properties of the catechins, particularly EGCG, play a significant role here, helping to burn calories and reduce body fat more efficiently. Empirical studies support this, showing that individuals who consume green tea can experience a reduction in body weight, body fat, and waist circumference. To incorporate green tea into a weight management plan, consider replacing sugary drinks with green tea and drink it regularly throughout the day to maximize its metabolic benefits. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. It aids in improving cholesterol levels, reducing both total and LDL cholesterol, and enhancing the function of blood vessels. Additionally, green tea's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to better heart health by reducing inflammation, a key factor in heart conditions. Furthermore, green tea has been studied for its potential role in cancer prevention. Its high levels of antioxidants can help reduce oxidative damage that can lead to cancer development. While more research is needed, current studies suggest a promising link between green tea consumption and reduced risks of certain cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. In conclusion, green tea isn't just a soothing beverage. It's a potent, health-enhancing infusion that offers numerous benefits. From boosting your antioxidant intake and enhancing brain function to aiding in weight management and protecting your heart, the virtues of green tea are profound. Start your wellness journey with green tea today and spread the word about its incredible health benefits.